In our last video, we learned 18 single consonant sounds. Let's review those sounds again. Remember, there are 21 single consonant letters, but only 18 make a distinct or different sound. C makes the k or the s sound. Q uses two sounds, qu. X uses two sounds, ks. Now let's practice. B, k, or s. D, f, g, j, k, l, m, n, p, qu, s, t, v, w, ks, y, z. We are learning the 18 single consonant sounds first because these sounds almost never change. For example, when we see the letter B, we will always say B. Let's look at an example. Say the word with me. Bat, bat. Now we will separate the letters in this word. Notice how each letter will make one sound. Listen and repeat with me. B, b, a, t, t, b, a, t. The B and the T are single consonant sounds. They almost never change. B, t. Double letters are two letters that work together to make the same sound. Let's look at an example. Yellow. Let's separate the sounds. John will help with the vowels. Y, e. John's help. The letter E is a vowel sound. We will learn this in a later video. L. This is a double letter. They are working together to make the same L sound. O. John's help. The letters OW are working together to make one vowel sound. Activity. Your turn. Look at the following words. Separate these words into each sound. Be careful. There are some double letters in these words. Say the words. Yellow, yellow. Hat, hat. Monday, Monday. Black, black. Eggs, eggs. Name, name. Now separate the sounds. Watch out for double letters. Y, e, l, o. Y, e, l, o. Hat, hat. M, n, d, a. John's help. The letters AY are working together to make one vowel sound. A. B, L, A, K. B, L, A, K. E, G, Z. E, G, Z. N, A, M. N, A, M. John's help. The final E is silent. It does not make a sound. Do you see the double letters? Let's highlight them. O, O. K, K. G, G. Remember, these double letters count as one sound. If you remember from video 1, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet and 44 sounds in the English language. In video 1, we learned 18 single consonant sounds. This means we need to learn 26 more sounds. This makes a problem. The English language has more sounds than it has letters. How is this possible? Because English often uses letters working together to make new sounds. Let's look at an example. Remember this word? Say it again with me. Bat, bat. Now say each sound again with me. B, A, T. Good. Now, watch what happens when we change the word a little bit. Bath. Bath. This is a different word. Let's practice it sound by sound. B. The first sound is the single consonant sound B. A. The next sound is a vowel. We will learn this in a later video. Th. The last sound is a new sound. This is called a digraph. A digraph is when we use two letters together, but they make a totally new sound. English has a few digraphs. We will learn 4 digraphs in this video. Remember, these digraphs are 2 letters working together to make one sound. Listen and repeat. Thanks. Thanks. Ch. Ch. Cheap. Cheap. Sh. Sh. Shirt. Shirt. F. F. Phone. Phone. There are 4 digraphs in this video, but there are only 3 distinct or different digraph sounds. The letters PH are the same as the F sound. Activity. Your turn. Look at the following words. Separate these words into each sound. Be careful. There are some digraphs in these words. Say these words. Bath. Bath. Cheap. Cheap. Wash. Wash. Hot. Hot. Black. Black. Phone. Phone. Separate the sounds. B, a, th. B, a, th. Ch, e, p. John's help. The vowel letters E-A in the word cheap are working together. They are one sound. Ch, e, p. W, a, sh. W, a, sh, t, t, b, l, a, k, b, l, a, k. Remember, the letters CK are double letters. They are working together to make the k sound. F, o, n, f, o, n. The letter E in the word phone does not make a sound. It is called a silent letter. We will talk more about this in a later video. Remember, the digraphs are 2 letters, but only one new sound. Th, ch, sh, f. Let's review. Remember, there are 21 single consonant letters, but only 18 make a distinct or different sound. The letter C makes the k or the s sound. Q uses 2 sounds, qu. X uses 2 sounds, ks. Today's video, we learned digraphs. Remember, the digraph PH is not a new sound. It is the f sound. Now, say them with me. Th, thanks. Ch, cheap. Sh, shirt. F, phone. In video 1, we learned 18 single consonant sounds. In today's video, we learned 3 new digraph sounds, which means we have learned a total of 21 sounds. In our next video, we will learn how to count sounds, and we will review all of the consonants we have studied. Thank you.